Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen clean with me video. Today I will be cleaning my small kitchen and then I am going to decorate it for fall. These are the tools and products I usually use to clean my kitchen. Baking soda, soap liquid, window cleaner, microfiber cloths, etc. I will not be using all of them today because I am not deep cleaning my kitchen. My kitchen is already clean. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aneta. I do home decor, home cleaning, home organizing, and DIYs. Now, let's start. I'm starting off with my kitchen windows. Don't forget to like this kitchen clean with me video, guys. And also subscribe to my channel if you like my content. I try to clean my windows frequently to avoid grease buildup. And daily cleanings really help maintain my kitchen and house. Now I'm just going to be removing a few things from my countertop and start cleaning my wall. To get rid of the grease on the wall, I'm going to be using a cloth and all-purpose cleaner. The trick for a clean kitchen or house is to think ahead and you'll have less work to do. I'm also wiping down the countertop and also making sure that everything is clean and tidy. Today I will not be cleaning my appliances. I've already cleaned them and I do it on a daily basis. To maintain my appliances, I make sure I use the correct products to clean them. Now I'm going to wipe down my shelves. Guys, cleaning a kitchen is so much work. We are always preparing food in there. We are always in and out of the kitchen, so it's no wonder that it's going to get messy. To wipe my shelves, I'm just going to be using a damp microfiber cloth.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
Now let's start decorating. These are just a few decorative items I will be using for my fall decor. Just a few subtle decorations that I'm going to be adding here and there, nothing too crazy. I'm going to be adding some simple little decor accents, a little bit of orange and natural colors.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
Wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. Got the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that. Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah.
Looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on together. Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together.
I really hope that you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. And I also hope that you guys enjoyed my kitchen decor for fall. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!